Hey, what's up guys, today I'm going to show how to download Adobe After Effects 2021 just free. This Adobe After Effects version 18.0. Before downloading you can subscribe to the channel because I will show my creativity and you can find every essential course Adobe After Effects 2021, something like VFX, character animation, Cinema 42, Adobe After Effects. Please consider me subscribe. Let's start today's video without talking anymore. Firstly type this link and you can find this link in description. Basically it's a Google Drive link and you can find this folder. It will show this file is locked. MSR7ALO is a unzip password. One more time, MSAR7ALO is a unzip password. Please carefully unzip this file. And go this folder and install Adobe After Effects 2021 and enjoy this Adobe After Effects.